Okay, we're at the top of Beehive. In case you ever want to see what that's like, here it is. There's a couple false summits over here. One down that way where you can see some people right now. That's Sand Beach down there. This is Acadia. Very impressive. Going around this way. Alright, so let's go up here. Wait for it. Lots of scrambling to get up here. I'll post up there. Post below where you can see the how-to video, how you get up here. That's the summit right here. About 20 feet above sea level. Above that. Windy on top. I've done this in the fall and it's pretty crazy. Brisk, you would say. And you have to be awful careful because it just drops off without any notice. Iron rungs on the way up. It's kind of dicey, but there is a back trail if that's too much for you. Nobody goes down the iron rungs, probably because they've had enough, but you would kind of be endangering other people that are coming up if you try to climb down. So always go the back trail on the return. Pretty amazing up here. Can you see the house down on the water? Probably tens of millions of dollars. And I believe that's Cadillac Mountain, or is that Cadillac Mountain? That's probably Cadillac Mountain up there with all the scarred rocks.